Welcome to you in our YouTube channel, English Speaking Course Shuruda. And now we are here. Now they are here, and I will give them very important topic for discussion. So students, listen here. Now you have to talk about very important point. Okay, you know about nowadays unemployment increase, and here you have to put your views. You have to tell the reasons for unemployment. Got it? So yes, you start. You give your your introduction and then start. Okay. Do you want time for thing? Okay. Yes.
Okay. My first point is population. India is huge population. India is first in population in entire world. So right now in India population bigger than job opportunities. So there are a lot of people. There are a lot compared to jobs. There are a lot of people right now. So that's my first point for unemployment.
Reasons of unemployment.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Did you understand that nowadays you know about the population increase, and that's why in government sector also or in any other sector the vacancies are suppose 50, but applications are more like thousands. Okay. So that's why unemployment increases and everyone doesn't get job. Okay.
Okay. Hello. Myself Sudhir Pawar. I am presenting here a debate upon unemployment or reasons of unemployment. So, what do you tell about the reasons of unemployment? You describe your opinion on that particular topic. So, I share my opinion on that particular topic. So, first of all, you tell the reasons of unemployment. People don't get job in various sectors. It is how is possible that India is launching Startup India in 2016. That's why giving opportunities to candidates, new employees, completing graduation students. That's why grab opportunities and come into job and get her opportunities and to make new generations. So that's why India giving more opportunities to our young generations for employment or good employment. That's why more organizations is there, more government job sectors is there or private sector is there, but people or candidates not grab or not going reach out to the job. It is not comfortable on that. It's also going back. It don't taking initiative for capturing or grabbing the particular job. So that's my point. It is not a reason of unemployment. It is a big issue of it's not taking initiative. That's my point. That's all.
Okay, means you are talking about people are not thinking about the startup. Just again tell your point. Just in 2 lines explain.
But job are very more in India. In India startups India in 2016. That's why giving opportunities to unemployment candidates or particular completing graduation students. That's why he come into grab opportunities for particular go into particular organization.
They should.
They should go,
Televising.
yeah, they should go into organizations, any companies. That's why India starting startups. So that is a
But you are
employment
talking about they are not grabbing.
gapping this. Yeah, candidates are not grabbing that.
Okay, means he's talking about opportunities are more, but the young generations are not alert.
Yeah.
Okay, so who are responsible for this? It doesn't get reason. Who are responsible for this?
It is a responsible ourselves.
Ha, maybe, maybe maybe we are not alert, maybe youth generation are not alert, that's why unemployment increase. Means that information doesn't reach to youth generation, or they are not alert to capture this information. Okay, and most of the things, as per my view, why the people are running behind the job, they can open their own startup, own business. Okay, we are in means we are living in Konkan area, so there are here are also so many startup, yeah, so small business. We can see so many the influencers and so many entrepreneur, they can open very well their business in Konkan area. So we must alert, we must search, we must creativity, means we can do some creativity and open their own business, own startup and we can earn good way, we can earn very well. Okay, so people must alert to actual what qualities they have. Okay, got it. They shouldn't run behind the job only. Okay, yes.
Second point. Okay, my second point is AI. Nowadays, a lot of foreign companies launching AI for work efficiency. Right now, when ChatGPT was launched, a lot of people lose their job in companies because AI can do a lot of work. Human can do. They can also work faster than human. They can also work more efficient than human can do. We need factories. Factory owners are also using machines equipped with AI. They are also because of this people are losing a job because the machine can do more work than a human can do.
Okay, that's good point, Sanjog. I agree with your point. So, but it is a my share on that particular your point. So, AI is a necessary for our generation. In that generation or current situation, AI is good for everyone. That's it is an tools. It is an automation, and it is an machines of good covering or handle particular work in efficient way. It is an robotic machine. It is not a human being. It is not taking any other. It's giving you authority of that machine. He will do that. That's why machines and most of the organization and companies launch it and taking and handling and making AI automations. That's why, for example, I will give one example in that Wipro and HCL and also the Infosys. That's mostly that they are adapting in their sectors. So automations like business handled and like also transactions areas. Mostly AI are workers. Like robots are worker on that particular place and in the workplace. So that is a good to run out good way and grow our business. That's why AI helping to business. That is a good for, that is a necessary for our upcoming generation. It is a futuristic. Don't depend on AI. It is a wrong. Why you tell? But why it is a you using that paperless? Why you using paperless? Use in fastly and quickly manner. You go to the command on particular tools and he give information. That's why you do this. So that is my point.
Okay, means he's talking about artificial intelligence is now essential. Okay, in 21 era. With the help of artificial intelligence, we can save our time, we can save our efforts, also money, and most of the companies can means that machine can do thousands of people one time work. Okay, so that's why what happen, the companies can save their money, save their efforts also, and there is no required to give monthly salaries. Yeah, it's important. If you talk about if I talk to that boys way, then machine can take place of human beings. You are also correct, machine can took place of human being. So many unemployment increase nowadays, and it will be increased nowadays unemployment because of that machines, because of thousand people's work complete by machine. And company doesn't need to give company no need to give salary to that machines. One time it is a investment, it is a one time investment. But what happened that because of machine unemployment increase. With the help of machine unemployment, with the help of machine, as you told that we can save our time, efforts, okay, cost, and incentive also save. Yeah, okay. But machine can't take place of human beings in some way, because machine doesn't have emotions. Okay, machine doesn't have emotions. Machine can doesn't take care of other human being. Okay, other one employee can take care of other, but machine can't take. Got it? You both are correct. Your place. Okay. Yes.
Okay, nowadays a lot of companies are want to hire people with lots of experience and also highly skilled people. but there are most of people who are graduated or who are done their education, their graduation or graduation and who want to go to job. They don't get accepted easily in companies because the companies want people with experience and people with skill. But some people, but without giving these people job opportunities, they can develop this skill. They cannot gain experience. That's why there also problem about company not accepting newly people who doesn't have experience or skill. They also need to take people in an internship, so teach people. There also expectation about people, like some people who are want a good salary, good work environment. There are also people who are expecting more from company, but company can afford it. That is also a reason for job
Unemployment.
unemployment.
Okay, but I have one question. See, I'm asking you, if every company tell that we want experienced person,
Particular candidates.
particular candidates. Okay, just I'm telling you, I want experience means I want experienced person. But if every companies refused of every workers, every candidate, so the candidates where will go? No one can learn from birth. कोणी जन्मतः शिकून येत नाही ना. सो वी शुड गिव चान्स टू एव्हरी कॅन्डिडेट. ओके, टू लर्न एक्सपिरियन्स. हा, बिल्ड अ गुड skills. Okay, so understood. What did I tell? Yeah, you are correct, your place. Sometime expectations are more, about a worker or candidate. Also the candidates have expectation that we want good salary, we want highest post, but one time it can't get. No, one time it can't get. We have to wait, we have to learn something, we have to develop our skill. And also some companies hire means they want high level skill.
High level skill person.
Yeah, okay, so that's why unemployment.
Yeah, okay. You tell your good point. I agree with your point. So I share my opinion on the expectations of particular company or organization to candidates or particular employee. So one employee expecting to go in particular job, he also expecting good environment like good salary, also incentives, bonuses, monetary and non-monetary factors are there, also expecting the particular candidates. That's why organization or particular company is expecting more to employee, how to he give performance, how to he give output to reach out the competitors first rank, and how to build good relationship to customers, and how to manage and how to handle every situation with the help of good employment, with the help of coordination, mutual understanding. It's expecting all over to the employment or candidates. That's after that he recruiting or selecting that the employment, it is a good point, it is a aim of company. That's my point. That's
Okay, he is talking about any company, every company must see, or they see nowadays that how the workers are working. If the workers are working well, with the help of this worker, company get good benefit. Company can collaborate with high level companies. Okay, their presentation is well, their work is efficient. Then the company can give good opportunity to that workers. Okay, so yeah.
and also companies are after promoting the particular employee to go in a big post and manage the particular department. That's why candidates are important in the organization. Particular candidate or employee, he is giving good efficient and good way to handle the work, and that's why company are also uh, directing or attracting to candidates, how to he giving performance to the company and how to give output to the company. After that company or organizations to promoting the employee. It is my point.
Yeah, means he's talking about that's why expectations are required. I mean, that's why people, that's why company has their expectation.
Today, my fourth point is opposition in village areas.
Opposition, yeah.
Opposition in village areas. Right now, government also making a lot of effort to put more factories in village areas. Also, lot of people, lot of private organization also being more business to village area, like in Kokon, hotel business, hotel are being built, resort are also being built. So people are right now opposing this business and business opportunities. If this business are open is a village areas, village people will also get a job. They also earn money. But right now, people are also opposing this job opportunities. They are not building, letting the people build factories. Also opposing the also opposing hotel business, they done in Kokon.
Okay, means that's why villagers are not getting employment. Okay, but why they are banning? Why they are opposing? Okay, understood. Yeah,
Nature, yes.
because of it is harmful to nature. Okay, because that's why for building any construction, pollution. Yeah, because of
Most of the old people cherish this nature.
Mike.
Most of the old people cherish nature in Kokon. They don't want to
Yeah,
destroy the mountains, the
mountains. Yeah,
rivers.
forest area.
Yeah, like right now they're mining iron mining in Kokon
Yeah.
because
So
of
villager, that only first in first point I told, villager must take standpoint and villager must open their own businesses here. Got it? Understood? Who has land? Okay, they must open any. You are talking about the hotel, the resort, and any other small businesses. Okay, factories, and they must give the employment to our villagers. Got it? So we can say our culture, we can say our people. Okay, we can provide the employment to others, our villagers, our friends, our relatives. Okay.
Okay, good point for your opposing the people. I share on that opinion, my opinion on that point or thoughts on that point. So mostly village areas peoples are opposing to the particular department and also the organization is not coming and not developing our infrastructures in the village areas. It is a big issue. That's why villagers are also permission or allowed to here located location here locate and grow our business and also giving opportunities to employment. That's why it is a big issue of villagers. Why is opposing? It is a not good, not fair. That's why we opposing to other companies and other sectors. We can start our own business, we can start our big business, like any business we can start any business with the help of we don't like harmful to we shouldn't
nature.
harmful to our nature. That's why we start our local people to our self business, our own business.
That's why we are
yeah,
talking
yeah,
about a local we, villagers must open means that only I am telling villager
yeah.
must open their own business.
Okay.
So our land can save,
Save.
we can save our,
Our natures
culture.
also save.
Also our land
Nature.
doesn't go to any other's hand.
Yeah, okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can that way we can say our culture, we can say our nature, we say our forest area.
Yeah, oh,
Got it?
yeah,
Also
yeah,
we
got
can
it.
open our business eco-friendly. Got it? Okay, instead of giving to others,
Yeah.
instead of hand over our land to others,
Others.
we can say our culture.
We can start our own business and we can grow our business with the help of all employment, with the help of our manpower. We start our own business. It's not, don't give our land to other hands. We start our own business. That is a big issue of village areas. We don't start any startups in the village areas. We don't build your infrastructures in good way and don't give opportunities to employment. It is it is a issue of big issue of major issue of unemployment. That's my set.
So what I'm going to say, villager must get some ideas. What you are creative mind? No, villagers have creative mind already, but they should get some good track. They should get some guidance. They must get some guidance.
I think my personal point is about rupiah falling behind dollars right now. So big effect on Indian rupees. Like Indian rupees are falling behind right now. $1 is worth of 80 rupees. So because of this, in market, the lot of thing become expensive now. So because there are also people who are there because of the rupiah falling behind the dollar. They are also getting more expensive product in the market. Their salary also not enough to for them to buy their daily necessities for their family members.
Okay, that's a good point. Like most of the Indian nations, our jobs or our organizations converted into privatizations. Our government sector he has converted to the private sectors. That's why unemployment ratio is growing fastly. That's all Indian peoples are transfers to out countries like abroad, like we can say America, we can say Dubai. All peoples, all good peoples, he go to the outside of country. It is a big issue in India. That's why Indian peoples are not starting our own business, depending on others. This is my point.
Means you're talking about people's, not a people. Okay, and you're talking about so many people transfer in outside country because of business, because of job, because of earning sources. So that's why unemployment increasing fast. Okay, they could have done here very well. They could have done here very well job, but they couldn't do. They could have opened their own startup, but they couldn't do. Okay, okay, yes. So you have talked here well. It was very good and best discussion. I really admire you. Okay, and I am happy for you. You have presented here means, and thanks, and first of all thanks because you are ready to participate here, presented here front of camera, and but there were some mistakes. Okay, you have to focus on your grammar, also pronunciation, and next time I will give you one other point. We will discuss here. Okay, so and thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe, and once again thanks for watching our video.